welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a animal fun fact video. So let's get started. An octopus. Octopus can blend in really well to like coral and ground and stuff like that, sea ground, to get away from their predator. Sea turtles don't nurture their young. Sea turtles leave their nest on land and then go back in the water till the babies hatch on their own. Bunnies can hop every day and they don't get tired, ever. Stingrays have a deadly sting. Well, it's not really a sting, it's like a bite, mainly. But right here, they have this bony topping, and that's where they sting. And their eyes aren't really on their head, they're like right here near their mouths. Elephants are like rhinos almost. They have like, I wouldn't say they charge, but rhinos and then like mud to help them cool off in the hot savannah. Alligators, they do the death roll, and what they do is they drown their prey. Pigs spend most of their time in mud. All of their time in mud. Cheetahs can run up to 70 miles per hour. Spiders don't actually have two eyes. They have 8. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I could touch the sky. Whales have bristle teeth so that they can chew little microscopic plankton that they eat. Cats have very, very sharp claws so that they can hang on to anything, and they always land on their feet once they jump off of something. Roaches don't like wetness, so they crawl in any dry space or any home to get out from the rain. Thompson gazelle can almost outrun cheetah. Otters are very slick swimmers. Hippos can breathe underwater for 7 minutes. Grasshoppers talk to each other by chirping their wings back and forth. Giraffe's neck can reach the height about almost as tall as a tree. Centipedes have very deadly venom in these two parts. Horses can run very, very fast and stay in a herd. Zebras stay out in any kind of weather, and no zebra is exactly the same. They have different stripes. Dogs have different barks and sounds because bigger and smaller are very, very different in a kind of way. But rhinos have a charge up to 5 minutes per hour. But they can charge 5 minutes per hour.
You mean miles, right?
Minutes.
Miles.
Minutes.
Miles.
Heaven. Mommy. Minutes.
Miles.
They have a very thick body of skin. They can't charge minutes. Miles.
Yeah, see, they can't charge.
They can't charge miles.
You just said they can't.
They can charge minutes.
No.
Pelicans can dive in the water. Like they can't swim, but they can dive in the water to catch fish really, really well. And from the glare of the sun, they have very good vision. Yeah. Sea lions live in the Arctic so they don't get heat stroke. Monkeys can climb to the tippy top of a tree. Gorilla males, the top gorilla of the troop is very protective of the other gorillas in that troop. Chimpanzees are very interactive, like humans. Ostriches have the biggest eggs of them all.
Oh, so that was a cheetah.
Turn the lights on. No.
I caught a mosquito.
Thank you guys for watching this episode of My Little Blind Life. Make sure to like and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. We'll see you next time.